When it comes to window installation in Fort Worth, affordability often takes center stage for many homeowners. Balancing budgetary constraints with essential home improvements is a challenge, and it's tempting to choose the cheapest option available. However, not all window installations are created equal. Prioritizing quality, even for affordable solutions, ensures you receive long-term value, comfort, and performance. Here's why quality matters and how it benefits you in the long run. Durability saves you money over time. One of the primary reasons to focus on quality is durability. High-quality window installations, even if affordable, use materials and techniques designed to withstand the test of time. Fort Worth's climate can be unpredictable, with hot summers, occasional hail, and sudden storms. Inferior windows may require frequent repairs or replacements, negating any upfront savings. Choosing durable materials and skilled installation ensures your windows can handle the elements, reducing future expenses. Energy efficiency enhances comfort and cuts costs. Fort Worth homeowners know the importance of energy-efficient homes. Quality window installation ensures a proper seal and prevents drafts, helping to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your heating and cooling bills by reducing energy loss. Affordable options don't have to compromise efficiency. Many reputable installers offer cost-effective, energy-saving solutions. Look for features like double glazing or low-E coatings to maximize your investment. Aesthetic appeal boosts home value. Windows are a key component of your home's curb appeal. Poorly installed or low-quality windows can detract from your home's appearance, making it less inviting to potential buyers. On the other hand, quality window installations add a polished, professional look that enhances your property's overall aesthetic. Even if you're on a budget, choosing windows that align with your home's style and having them installed correctly ensures a positive visual impact and can increase your home's resale value. Safety and security are non-negotiable. Windows play a crucial role in home security. Cheap materials or improper installation can make your home vulnerable to break-ins. Quality windows feature strong frames, reinforced glass, and secure locking mechanisms, providing peace of mind. A skilled installer ensures these features function as intended, keeping your family safe. While affordability is important, compromising on security isn't worth the risk. Avoid the headache of frequent maintenance. Low-quality windows often demand frequent maintenance due to issues like sticking frames, condensation buildup, or warping. Quality windows, even in affordable ranges, are designed to be low maintenance. Modern materials like vinyl or aluminum resist wear and tear, while proper installation prevents issues like leaks and misalignment. By investing in quality, you save time and money on upkeep. Customization without breaking the bank. Affordable doesn't have to mean generic. Many reputable window installers in Fort Worth offer customizable options tailored to your home's needs and style. Quality-focused providers understand that every home is unique, offering solutions in various materials, sizes, and finishes. This level of personalization ensures your windows not only look great but function seamlessly. Trustworthy installers make all the difference. Even the best windows can fail without proper installation. Choosing an experienced and reputable installer ensures the job is done right the first time. Skilled professionals focus on precision, ensuring your windows fit perfectly and function optimally. They also offer warranties for their work, giving you added peace of mind. The hidden costs of poor quality. While it might seem cost-effective to choose the lowest bid for your window installation, poor quality often results in hidden costs. These include higher energy bills, frequent repairs, and potential water damage from leaks. Investing in quality upfront prevents these issues, ultimately saving you money. Finding affordable quality in Fort Worth. The good news is that Fort Worth homeowners don't have to choose between affordability and quality. Local installers often provide budget-friendly packages without compromising on workmanship or materials. When researching installers, look for customer reviews, warranties, and energy-efficient product options. A little research goes a long way in finding a reliable provider who offers both quality and value. Conclusion: quality is key, even on a budget. Window installation is a significant investment in your home. While affordability is important, sacrificing quality can lead to higher costs, lower efficiency, and added stress in the long run. By prioritizing durable materials, skilled installation, and reputable providers, you can enjoy beautiful, functional windows that enhance your home's value and comfort for years to come. For Fort Worth homeowners, quality matters, because your home deserves the best.